What's going on, y'all? I'm going to show you how to verify a Cloudflare registered domain for OpenAI, ChatGPT. Now you want to, oh, I'm tripping, I ain't done it yet. All right, let's go to Cloudflare, log in to the account, go to your domains. I forgot this at first. Go to your domains, uh, more customers. Now, if you have a domain like this where you can switch the words up and people can get confused and you want to get both of them. But we're using customers and clients. Click on it, go to DNS records, add a record, make a text file, click on the @ sign so it'll be at the root, paste what you copied from ChatGPT and save it. Then go back to ChatGPT, verify. It might take a while. Okay, there we go. Now it's verified. So that's how you do it. And if you have a startup, you're an entrepreneur, you have a small business, and you want to be in an environment with other supportive, positive minded, open minded people who want to grow their small business, then join us at From Passion to Profits. From Passion to Profits. If you need work done, if you need video produced or videography services or consulting, then for growing your business or in AI, then go to morecustomers, moreclients.com. Oh, by the way, what I'm doing here is filling in the personalization information for ChatGPT so that it tailors its well, that's the memory. So that it tailors custom instructions. So that it tailors its responses to who I am personally. And that can help you control the type of responses that it gives you. I'll do that in another video, but I figured I would mention it since you're here.